How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be doing just some little stuff on my truck, mainly just cleaning the headlights and talking about what we want to name it. We'll get to that later, but I'm going to start out showing you guys the process, when I go about to clean the headlights. Makes sense, right? I know that I already did this in the video with my dad's Corolla. I already have cleaned headlights on this channel before. However, I didn't really do a great job explaining that. I kind of just talked and then I showed you guys time-lapse. And so what I'm going to be doing this time is I'm going to be doing real-time filming of me cleaning and with like a voiceover kind of thing. Kind of like a Chris Fix. And I know Chris Fix has already done that, but this is also supposed to be like a vlog. Chris Fix doesn't really vlog. I mean, he kind of vlogs, but whatever. We're just gonna clean the headlights, and I'm gonna take a video of it and show you guys what's going on. So excited for that. And then like I said, we'll talk about the name and the possibility of plastic dipping the center caps on these wheels, or possibly getting new wheels. So this is an exciting video. Stay tuned for more. And yeah, we're gonna have a great time. I really love my truck, but it is really hot in there. We start out by wiping down each headlight with a wet wash rag. However, you might want to be aware that taping up around your headlights may help protect your paint finish. Since there's a good gap between the headlights on this vehicle, I'm not going to worry about it, but it's something you might want to take into account for your own. This next step is really going to depend on how foggy your headlight is. Since this truck doesn't really have super foggy headlamps, we're okay with using a low grit sandpaper. I'm going to be using 3000. However, for more foggy headlamps, you would need to repeat this step more and more often, starting with a low grit sandpaper, like 500 perhaps, although that might be a little bit low, maybe something more like 1000, and working your way up to 3000. However, like I said, since this isn't super cloudy already, we can just start with 3000. So what we're doing here is just sanding off the dirty, cloudy outer edge. When you're done sanding each part, make sure you wipe it off with a rag again so that the sanded off dirt and grime and oxidation doesn't dry back on. Continue on the other lights. Once you've sanded off each part, get a dry rag and wipe down each one, drying it off. Now, as you can probably see, right now the headlights look even more foggy than they did at the beginning. This is because we've basically scratched up the outside of each one. However, the next step is the most critical in order to get a nice, clean, polished shine to your headlight. Get a rag with the polish of your choice, like this. What you're going to do now is wipe it onto the headlight in a rotating manner. This is going to clear off all of the outside fogging and make it really nice and sparkly, like so. It wouldn't be the main attraction, but it would definitely be a lot nicer looking than a lot of similar aged cars that hadn't been well taken care of. So yeah, headlights are all clean, and this car is really, at this point, looking as close to brand new as I'm going to get it without buying new parts. The headlights are scratched up and dinged up, and the taillights are in similar condition. However, they are clean and clear, and they look nice now. Now we need to talk about what we're going to name this thing. I've thought of a couple different ones already. Really, the only one that I really like is Taylor. Taylor the Tacoma. And I know there's probably going to be a lot of ideas from you guys, but I will try to choose the most popular one, I guess. I guess I'll leave a comment in the description below. Y'all can vote on it. Ultimately, I might not end up going with what y'all vote on, but if what y'all vote on is something that I like and I think resonates well with the vehicle and my aspirations for it, sure, why not? I'll name it whatever y'all want and suggest, if I like it. Only if I like it. Don't be going like,
I think you should name it Benedict.
Not naming it Benedict. But yeah, guys, now we need to talk about wheels.
I talked about this in the last video, but the wheels are not really the nicest looking things around. They got scratches and dents, and they're really just not the most attractive things that you could expect to find on a vehicle. Look at that. Ugh. So, there's a couple options. We can either pop the wheels off, pop off these center caps, since these are really the most disgusting looking things. See how it looks without them, or plastic dip them and put them back on. Or we could not,
because guess what? My grandpa has told me that he's planning on getting new wheels for his new truck, the truck that he got to replace this one that opened up the possibility of me using it. And he's offered the wheels on the truck, on his new truck that he's going to be replacing, to me. And so what that means is basically I would have a pair of brand new 2017, 2018-ish Tacoma TRD Sport wheels on this vehicle, assuming everything fits. I don't know, we'd have to check. They're both 6 lugs, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it'll work. But who knows, maybe it won't. But we would like to try that, so before I do anything with the current wheels, I'm going to try and see if those fit once he gets the new wheels for his. So yeah, guys, with that, I think we're going to end this video. Please give a like if you enjoyed and subscribe. Don't forget also to leave a name suggestion and or like any name suggestions in the comments down below. If you like, next video I make about this vehicle, we'll have a name picked, and yeah, so that'll be awesome. If you didn't enjoy, please go ahead and like and a comment down in the comment section below, letting me know how I can improve. But yeah, guys, until the next video, peace out.